All right, Keisha, if she is on her iPhone, she can open up her Safari browser. From her Safari browser, she can log into her myEcon website. We'll go here to log in. Once she has logged in, she can scroll down to more items. Click on mobile apps. Click on the App Store button here at the bottom. And you're going to click on the App Store button one more time. Now it's going to pop up a couple of screens here. Just be patient. It's going to ask you to redeem a gift card or code. And either it will say it's trying to redeem or whatever the case may be. You can close that window, but you should be taken to a window like this. And then you can just close out. See how it says redeem? You don't need to redeem it. It will automatically redeem. So we'll cancel out that window. And what we'll do is we'll now go and look and we'll see that the myEcon app has been installed on the phone.